Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the length of the median AD of the triangle ABC whose vertices are A12, 17, B12, 15 and C18, 9. So let's see. This is the triangle and we are given A12, 17, B12, 15 and C18, 9. These are the coordinates of three vertices. We are also given that AD is median of triangle ABC. So D point here has to be midpoint of BC. So D has to be, let's see, D is midpoint of BC. So we can easily find coordinates of D. So let's find coordinates of D. dxy can be found out by simply x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, where we have b x1 y1 and c x2 y2. So let's see, x1 is 12, x2 is 18 divided by 2 comma y1 is 15, y2 is 9 divided by 2. So we get coordinates of dx comma y as 18 plus 12 is 30, 30 by 2 is 15, comma 15 plus 9 is 24, 24 by 2 is 12. So we get midpoint of BC, which is D, as 15, 12. So let's see. Now we have to find the length of the median. So length of AD will be equal to under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, where A is x1 y1 and B is x2 and D is x2 y2. Now we simply have to put the values of x1 y1 and x2 y2 here. So let's see, this will be units, so we'll put it here, units. Now we have under root of x1 is 12, x2 is 15, so 12 minus 15 whole square plus y1 is 7, y2 is 12, so 7 minus 12 whole square. So this is equal to 12 minus 5 is 12 minus 15 is minus 3. Minus 3 whole square is plus 9. Or we can write it like this, minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 12 is minus 5. So this is minus 5 whole square, which is equal to minus 3 whole square is 9, minus 5 whole square is 25. So we get that equal to under root 34. So we get length of AD as under root 34 units. We can calculate this value by simply doing the long division. So let's see, 34, this has to be, let's put it over here, 34 is, we'll have to simply group these together. So 34 will be grouped this way. So 5 5s are 25. So 9 remains. We'll have to take decimal point and 2 zeros. Both these zeros will come down here. We'll add below. So we have 10. Now we have to put a value here so that multiplication is less than 900. So if we put 9, that will be 918, which will be greater than 900. So we'll put 8 over here. So we have 8.8. So 8 8s are 64, 8 1s are 8. So that gives us 10 minus 4 is 6, 10 minus 7 is 3, 36. We'll take one more pair of zeros which will come down here, 116. Now we have to put a digit, same digit in all three boxes. Let's try with the digit 3. So if I have 3 here, multiplication will be 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 1s are 3. Now if I have 4 over here, that will be 45 4,500 something. So it will be larger than this. So we got our second digit as 3. So this will go on forever since this is a irrational number. So let's see, we'll stop here at 2 digits after decimal point. So answer is 5.83 units. Length of AD is 5.83 units. This is the answer.